Hey yo, it's your boy Mfanana Kimalanga Onge guys. I'm back with another reaction video. It's still going for Isbo vs Sjavs. Track number 3. What is it? Amavaka. If you're new in this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. Please, baby, please. Let's go. I think this song is the main track because you're remember I come album Isibo, and for I remember concept ICC. I think why perform yeah ngiyayikhumbula isound yakhona ngiyikhumbula. No more shipilo ya mi. Hey. As then the shows Sjavs words ngayizona. This time even if it's something mhlampe empilweni yakho kuyabheda ngempela sabathi uzamangala kuyabheda mawuthi uyibuka esibukweni usho say angcutha yona impilo yakho le yabo nje uyibuka esibukweni uyizona ngobesho ila nje mfethu usubona esiqala no give up empilweni. Yeah, it's too much. Hey. Echalo porque asolega. Yeah guys, that was the end of the song. I want to actually call it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Comment in the comment section if you like to comment guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. It's your boy Mfanana